how a two-level converter blocks works. Okay, basically I will focus on how a two-level converter blocks convert DC power to AC power, three-phase AC power. Okay, for that we have to browse our library, and under specialized power system and power electronics, we need two-level converter block. Okay, here is a two-level converter block. Drag it here, and our power B block, and two-level converter blocks, and I want to give a DC source. Okay, and you will find here DC voltage source, connect it here, and I'm setting amplitude 300, and okay, and for getting pulse we need PWM generator block two-level. Okay, and we take input as sine wave sources, and we need a sine wave signal. Drag it here, and I'm fitting this, and you will be connected to the gate of the two-level converter block. And under sine wave frequency I'm taking as 2 by 50. Okay, I have frequency is 50 Hz, and as frequency is per second, I have multiplied as twice by, and phase as the DC will be converted to three-phase AC. Okay, for that we have to set phase as 0, then minus 2 pi, sorry, minus 2 pi by 3, and plus 2 pi divided by 3. Okay, so this will be the phase of the sine wave reference signal. Okay, and we need some RLC branches, and this is present under passive three-phase series RLC branch. Basically I need. Okay, and here I want a filter and inductance value like 10e-3. Before connect the branch here, I need to measure the voltage output of the converter. Okay, so this is VI measurement block. I am connecting this to the output of the converter block, and I'm taking as level and signal level like converter. Okay, and current measurement no. Okay, done. Now connect this, and again I need load. Okay, capacity load because I want a LC filter. Okay, so three-phase parallel RLC load, and finally we need three-phase series RLC load. Okay, and I'm setting as nominal voltage phase to phase VN RMS, and this let's set it 150, and frequency is 50 Hz. I have already chosen, and active power I'm taking 1K, and inductive reactive power and capacitive reactive power 0. Okay, now connect the sorry, again I need the VI measurement block here, and signal level like VABC load. Okay, click OK, and connect this and A, and in capacity this will also be 150, frequency 50 Hz, active power 0, inductive reactive power 0, and this will like 3003 kilowatt. Okay, now connect this parallelly, so and have checked the frequency. Frequency is okay, and now I want to run this model. uh, click run. Sorry, I haven't add any scope, and we have to add our scope, sync and scope, and we need from block because I have set the VI measurement block as signal level. Okay, so yeah, copy it and paste it to go to tag. Sorry, okay, and I'm setting as the converter. Okay, and we need another from block for the load. Okay, and load, click OK, and this will be our load. Okay, now run this model, and our view, choose layout. Now you can see this is our output voltage of the converter block, and this is our load. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully converted our DC voltage source to AC power. Okay, using two-level converter block. So this is all for today. If you found this helpful, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.